Hey guys, this is Omar with another unboxing video for Amcrest, and today we're looking at our newest 5 megapixel AI bullet camera, the IP5M-B1276EW-AI. This affordable AI bullet camera features crisp, high-quality 5 megapixel resolution with a built-in mic. It has dual illumination with IR LED night vision and full night color. It features human and vehicle detection, as well as built-in IVS smart features that allow you to create a virtual fence and trigger events when motion is detected. It has a super wide viewing angle of 129 degrees. And the camera is equipped with a heavy-duty IP67 weatherproof housing that protects against dust and hurricane-level winds and rain. This AI bullet comes with flexible storage options, including NVR, Amcrest Cloud, or an SD card. So why a bullet camera? Well, they're great at viewing narrow or key areas. They're at their best in high or hard-to-reach places. But certainly a major factor is that bullet cameras just kind of stick out. They can be very noticeable, which is why they naturally serve as a great deterrent. Bullets are also easily installed on walls to point at specific locations. Our customers tend to install these in their front porch, watching their driveway and their street, or in the backyard, keeping an eye out for intruders. By far the easiest way to view your amazing 5 megapixel footage would be by using the Amcrest View Pro app. So let's go ahead and get this camera added to our network. I'm gonna hit Add Device, POE Camera, P2P connection, and scan the QR code on the back of the camera. We'll name the camera Backyard and start the live view. It's going to obviously ask for a new password, so set up the password as you see fit. And there you have it. Camera set up just like that. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.